how to create a Telegram X account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set it up. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. Now, in order to log in, you must have a valid number. Here on the top, you can simply select the country or the region you're in, and here on the bottom, enter your mobile number. So make sure that this is a valid mobile number, and at last tap on next. So it will take some time. Now a verification code will be sent to your mobile number and you must verify it. So after entering the code, everything will be fixed and a new account will be created. So let's wait for some time. So now the verification code has been added and I am logged into my account. So everything will be set up automatically after you verify your code and you're all ready to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.